It is super delicious, obviously, before we haven't even tasted it. Today we're making another delicious sauce with a ton of Kashmiri chili powder. We are making a vegan version of Kashmiri Lal Paneer. Kashmir is the northernmost state in India, and it has these amazing set of recipes, these sauces that are often very different from regular Indian cuisine. Kashmiri chili powder adds a lot of color and this delicious smoky, mildly spicy flavor. It's just insanely good. But do get some Kashmiri chili powder and let's make this Kashmiri Lal tofu. First, we're gonna press and slice the tofu. You can also tear the tofu into organic shapes. That'll pick up a lot more flavor. But I'm trying to make it closer to the Lal Paneer version, so I sliced it into these thick, flat slices. Then we're gonna toss those slices in a mixture of cornstarch, Kashmiri chili powder, garlic powder, and salt. We're gonna crisp these up in a skillet with a little bit of oil over medium-high heat. You can use regular oil or mustard oil or a mix of mustard and regular oil. Let them cook under stir for 2 to 3 minutes or until golden brown on the bottom side. Flip those slices and continue to cook those until they are golden brown on the other side as well. Then remove these from the skillet and then we'll make our sauce. For our sauce, add the fennel seeds and whole peppercorns as well. Add a ton of chopped onion to your skillet over medium-high heat and cook until the onion is translucent. We want the onion to get nicely golden but not too mushy, so don't add too much water while cooking the onion, but do add splashes of water so that the onion cooks evenly. Then add in the garlic and continue to cook until the onion is golden evenly. Now we're gonna blend this mixture with our Kashmiri chili powder. That's about 2 tablespoons worth, or start with 1.5 tablespoons if you're not sure about the heat of your Kashmiri chili powder. Blend it with the onion mixture and a cup of water until the onion, black pepper, and fennel seeds are broken down. If you don't want to do the blending step, make sure to chop the onion really small so that you don't have a really chunky sauce. And then instead of using the whole spices, add in some ground fennel and ground black pepper instead. Heat your skillet again over medium heat, add some oil, and then once the oil is hot, add the whole spices. You want to open the black cardamom a little bit before you add it to the skillet. Add in the tomato puree, then add in the blended onion mixture. Rinse out the blender with another half a cup of water and add to the skillet. Add in some salt, add in all of your ground spices. Traditionally, we also add hing, which is asafoetida, to this. If you're adding hing, add it with the whole spices. Mix these really well. Fold in your crisped up tofu. Reduce the heat to low and then forget about it for about 20 minutes. You want the sauce to cook low and slow until all the flavors and the spices melt and the sauce thickens a little bit. If it gets too hot, you can add in some non-dairy yogurt to make the sauce creamier as well as to tame down that heat. And then we can serve this over rice, some naan, roti, or you can pair it with some sourdough or any cooked grain of choice. It is super delicious, it looks gorgeous, and you guys have to try it. If you don't want to use tofu, you can add some chickpeas or beans or some roasted veggies or some chickpea tofu instead. It smells amazing in here and it's even more delicious than it looks. All of my Indian recipes are in a playlist and you can get that link in the description below. It's amazing. It's spicy. It's just insanely good. If you try this recipe, do let me know in the comments how you liked it. Don't forget to review it on the blog. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Indian recipes, Indian regional recipes, easy vegan meals, and so much more. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Where are the dogs? Yeah, those guys are waiting for me.